school. At ihahatid ko na lang yung school sa Hi guys, how are you? How are we? It's me again, Steph, and today is another week vlog. I'm driving and I'm with Elise at the moment kasi pupunta kami ng school. Ano nila ngayon? Wala silang school today. It's Wednesday today and wala silang school kasi review day nila. May exam sila ng Thursday and Friday. Kaya ayun. Pero may kailangan akong pirmahan sa school for DM Caps competition. Okay, nandito na tayo sa school.
Pwede ba i-video yung loob ng school?
Yeah, you can video it if you want.
But bawal tayo lumabas sa TV. Diba? Kapasok ko doon, iikot akong school. Ay hindi, hintayin mo na kita.
Elise, wag ka nang maglibot anak. Baka mahirapan akong hanapin ka naman.
Wala, punta na lang sa classroom.
Na. Okay, we're here na sa school. Ay, tingnan mo kaya kung naiwan ni Kuya yung baonan niya.
Sa service area mo doon.
Saan? Check mo kaya. Hindi kita
Wait,
dito.
alam mo ko. Thursday kasi diba kahapon, yung gamit niya, iniwan niya dun sa gate niya, pinasok sa service. Sabi niya wala daw sa service. Yeah, kasi
Practice your leg work. Taas pa yung mga kicks. Pag masyado mababa, you're gonna go down there.
Good morning. It's Thursday today. It's 6:29 in the morning. And yeah. Hatid ko yung kids sa school this morning, exam nila. Hindi sila sasabay ng service. Oh, that's my alarm. Hindi sila sasabay ng service kasi remember, kahapon, pumunta ako ng school, may pinirmahan ako. Kaya lang, mayroon ako kailangan pirmahan ulit para sa competition. So, kaya ihahatid ko na lang sila para, ganun din. Kasi pupunta din ako ng school, di ba? Dalaga lang ako ng sunscreen. This is the Bello one. Ito lang naman lagi kong ginagamit actually. How's everyone? Ako ito. Ganun pa rin. Wala pa rin ginagawa sa life. Hindi, meron naman. Pero, yeah. Parang etong time na I was unemployed, I got the chance to be more focused sa activities ng kids ko. Focus ako sa swimming lesson nila. I got the chance to hatid sundo sila sa school. For the lip tint, I just used the Catidal one. This is gel tint and the shade Hot Babe. So, yeah. We're good na. Magpa-perfume lang ako. Okay, guys. Say good morning, baby.
morning guys. We're gonna have our exam and Kuya's closing the gate. And Mommy's driving. We're on the way to school. And we have our bags. We had a heavy breakfast today, guys. Because our exam per subject is 15 minutes. Good morning, Kuya.
Hey guys, good morning.
Did not forget anything. Water.
Here.
Your water. You have snacks inside the bag.
Yeah.
You have ball pen. You have enough ball pens, Effie?
Yeah.
make sure it's gonna have, it has, how many ball pens you have inside the bag?
7.
Huh?
7.
7? They all have ink?
Yeah.
Elise, you have sharpener?
Yeah.
You have pencils and erasers?
Yeah. How many minutes do you exam per subject?
1 hour and 30 minutes.
For us, it's like 50 minutes or 1 hour. I'm not sure.
I'm waiting for my friends. We're currently here sa Roy's Hotel. I'm with the 2 kids, Elise and Joseph. Safi, hi. Say hi, baby.
Hi.
Okay. So, yun. And we're just waiting for them. Tapos, akit na kami sa room.
Did you miss me?
Sino?
Si Elise, maganda siya mag-video.
Ay, sino to? Sorry po. Next week ko na upload yun.
Pwede ka na mag-bake ka na.
Hindi pa yata.
Sabi mo pag mag-swimming ka, ikaw bit, pagbisan mo kung easy.
Katibay, unang matutulog. Ako!
Baka na lang tayo din.
Uy, Hindi. Candy, bubblegum.
Pero kayo paminta.
Paminta, manto niya kung paminta.
Kaya naman pamita.
Bebe, alam bang mas murang bubblegum? Alam mas murang bubblegum? Alam ka mint eh. Nagdala na ako ng toothbrush o na eh.
Hindi kaya tadalay ng mint mo. Ay, nakalag si Bobby.
Isa, yun.
Kaya limutan mo na yung Marlboro. Kaya na kayo BFF.
Hindi na kami.
Uy, lukutin lang
Talabi
vape.
kami mikit at chocolate.
Oh, yun din lang vape. How?
Ikaw pa na yata yung vape po bits eh.
Aping ba yan?
Parele.
Yax Ultra. Kuya.
Sila pareho no.
Kuya,
Ano ba
isa,
pinapalitan
yun?
mo dyan?
Ito.
Relax.
Ay, hindi. Ano?
Balang.
Relax yan. Relax din yun. Yung kulay orange.
X-vape.
Hindi, ayan.
Okay guys, so we're meeting our friends downstairs. We're gonna have some dinner. Happy? Hindi namin kasama si Fons kasi may work siya, unfortunately. Alright, see ya downstairs.
Yung ka lang sa Christmas na. Yung sabi yung taong class na.
Uy, ayun!
Ano yan?
Ayun mo! Headset na lang. Sabi ko, dalating headset na.
Oh.
Ayan, di ba? Nakakita.
Tamo muna, kung kunyari ka, kita kang harap tapos murong na ka mo. Yan.
Ayan.
Ano nakarap ng ito?
Mag-post ka pa.
Ulit.
Bakit?
Ciao. Wala mo yung minum kantempra.
Oo, Kai. Makamudta mo mong minum siguro. Tito Bea, first. Thank you.
Kahit pa siya rin daw. Dapat 65. 68.
Mag-breakfast muna kami. Driver for the day. Pogi, libre mo ako paksin.
Ha? Ano?
Libre mo akong paksin sa Hyper.
Ano?
Eh?